Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we learned to find the mean of the group data by assume mean method. Today, we will see an interesting example based on it. The following distribution table shows the weekly food expenses of workers of a factory, where the frequency of class interval 49 to 52 is missing. If the weekly mean expenditure is 47 rupees 20 paise, so can you find the value of missing frequency? Come, let's try to solve it. The given distribution table is a system of grouped data, where the width of the class interval is 3. Let f be a missing frequency whose value we have to find out. For this, we have to find the mean of this distribution. From the table, we can see that to find mean, we will need the midpoints of these class intervals, for which we will use the class mark or midpoint formula. As you know that, to make the calculation easier, we choose the assumed mean method. On that basis, we need an assumed mean here, which we choose from xi. Suppose here the assumed mean, that is A, is equal to 47.5, with the help of which we represent A and the difference di between each xi. From the assumed mean method, we can see here that we need the sum of the products of fi di and the sum of frequencies fi. So we multiply each di by its corresponding frequency fi and get their sum equal to 3f minus 198. While the sum of corresponding frequencies is obtained as 176 plus f. Putting the value of mean expenditure x, assumed mean A, summation fi di and summation fi in the above formula, we get f equals to 44. Therefore, the values of the missing frequency is 44. Today in this video, we saw an interesting example based on assumed mean method. In the next video, we will see one more interesting example based on it.